the turn up twins, pick up yourself. You don't know full thing of the global thing, I don't like the whole world.
Yeah, me I say now this is Greg.
Yo, you don't know this is Kevin.
And together we're Vice, man. I would say turn up twins. Thing, turn up
things, you see.
You know it's higher where the girls them prior. I mean I represent for turn up twins. Turn up things, you know there's something to turn up now.
Up to the era, turn up twins are not like fever. Yo, touch her make she ooh, touch her make she ah.
So we're sitting here today with Real and True fashion designer
RT.
Yeah.
I forget everybody a nickname. I forget everybody a nickname.
What the nickname again?
RT.
Tamika. But anyway, so give us a little bit of a background as to when you started and how long your company has been around.
Well, I am around since 1983. That is the tagline of my brand, Real and True. Okay. You know what I mean? But it's about 5 years now.
So you came up with this concept on your own, or did you have a partner, or?
On my own.
Oh, okay, so who do you design for?
Well, definitely Alliance. You know what I mean? I'm Alliance from birth. Don't know Bounty, the whole, everybody.
But you do designs for regular people and for other artists and?
Well, yes, definitely.
So is it safe to assume that you're an Alliance designer?
Oh, definitely, man. Alliance, ANG designer.
Definitely, but not limited to.
Yeah.
I'm sure that the audience remembers a couple of shows ago when they have on a t-shirt. Our waistline never did a show. I mean, the shirt did look good still, you know, it did turn up. Of course it did turn up, but they love the sparkling, you know. I remember I turned on over there and a DJ and it have a name on the back of the shirt. But all right, RT, I have to pick a bone with you, my youth. I have to pick a bone with you, my youth.
RT.
All right, out of, let's say, a 35-hour week, which is a regular work, you know, it's supposed to be at work, okay? Me and Jay make sure so we dedicate at least 30 hours of that in the gym. All right, so we can, you know, get a little curve line, you know, about it. Yes, 30 hours, meaning to only work for 5 hours. I drop my back. But the shirt them did turn up. But my youth, why you work against we? Why? We're extra small, not extra small, but extra small. So that's 2XS. 2XS, okay? Show up with a little waistline, but the shirt them did turn up. I drop my mic. Here we go, back to the serious one.
So where are you based? RT, because you know, so that they're new name now, right?
RT. Nothing wrong. I just said Real and True. And right. The RT I represent for Real and True.
So where are you located?
Well, I live in Portmore. Well, located workshop in Kingston.
So do you have like a phone number, Facebook page, Twitter page, website that you might want everyone to know?
461-9737.
Okay, and do you have a Facebook page?
Oh yeah, man, you can find me definitely Real and True at yahoo.com. That's RAELANTRUE at yahoo.com.
Alright, so Real and True thing, turn up, like the turn up twins. Yeah. So definitely.
Double S, okay, that's SS small, okay?
double XS.
There you go, double XS.
Well, anyway, this is the Turn Up Twins interview with Real and True, but before we go, everybody will interview them have to say.
Same question. The thing turn up. Make sure so you have the right answer.
Yeah, pinch him right behind and back. Pinch him right behind. The thing turn up or turn down?
No, well, I'll definitely think turn up and a bun up.
Ah, we like that one. We like that one. Alright.
Him just stop it. Before we did have a security guard we did say we think turn up so till it turn over. No man say turn up till it burn down.
That one the original. Alright. You get that one for the day. Alright. Anyway, this is Julene
and Tamika.
And we are the Turn Up Twins.